Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn circular motion and gravitation together, step by step. Anything moving in a circle is constantly changing direction, which means it's accelerating, even at steady speed. That requires a force pointing toward the center, called the centripetal force. Its size is mass times velocity squared, divided by the radius. It always points inward. The moment that inward force disappears, the object stops curving and flies off in a straight line. Newton realized that every mass in the universe pulls on every other mass. The gravitational force equals a constant g times the two masses, divided by the distance between them squared. Double the distance and the force drops to a quarter. For orbits, gravity is the centripetal force. The sun's gravitational pull bends a planet's path into the circle we call an orbit. Swing a ball on a string in a circle. The string's tension supplies the centripetal force pulling the ball inward. Spin it faster, and the required force grows with velocity squared, so the string pulls harder. If you spin too fast, the string snaps, and the ball doesn't fly outward. It leaves along a straight tangent line, exactly as the laws predict. The moon orbits Earth for the same reason. Earth's gravity provides the centripetal force pulling the moon inward. You can picture the moon as always falling toward Earth, yet because it also moves sideways fast enough, it keeps missing and curves around in a continuous orbit. The falling apple and the orbiting moon obey one identical law of gravity. Let's bring it together. Circular motion always needs an inward centripetal force equal to mass times velocity squared over radius. Gravity follows an inverse square law, weakening rapidly with distance. And in space, that gravity is the very centripetal force holding moons and planets in orbit. One elegant idea links a thrown ball to the whole solar system. Wonderful work. Great work. Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.